Alrighty guys, welcome to another video. Today is a fun one. It is a paint. So in front of me we have a BMW E39. This is, I believe, a 528i. It's a 2003. Let's actually go around and check, but this will work. 525, my apologies. But this will work on all 5 series in the E39 body style. So in front of me we have, this is the back from the rear seats, and this is the bottom portion. So why do I have those out? This door does not open from inside or outside. Nothing works. So the logical option was to try to get to it from the inside and access the mechanical part of it to manually unlock the door. So in order to do that, this bottom portion of the seat, just stick your hand under and then lift it up. It's held by these 2 metal brackets, so you know, with some muscle you could get it off. This seat, the back part of it, is held by 10mm bolts, which are somewhere on this side. I'm trying to find the hole for those. Basically they're right at the bottom and they're held by a bracket. Yeah guys, sorry, I was not initially planning to do this video because honestly I tried to find videos and I couldn't find anything, and I didn't know if this job was even possible. So this is what the 10mm looks like, and it's somewhere in this area. Maybe once I put it together I'll show you guys how to do it. Okay, I told you guys I'll show you where these 10mm screws are, and this is from the side that wouldn't open. So this is where we are working with. It's always easier with both hands. But there you go, find it, and you guys will be unscrewing it. I'm already putting it back together. And here's the other one on the other side. Oh, if you guys can see that. But after that, you gently lift up the seat up, not toward yourself, up, and it will come off this part. But you have to take off the center headrest first, and then I lifted these up just so that there's more clearance and I'd be able to access it. Okay, I know I'm rushing through this, but bear with me. The next step is to take out the screw. Oh, too much sun. So on the other side, you have to take out this plastic round clip, and I used like a thin point hook, something of this sort. And then there is this screw, which is a star. And where is the screwdriver that I used? Oh, this guy right here. Let's see, what size is this? Chrome vanadium. It doesn't show me what size it is. Well, 115 times 4. I feel like this was a little bit small. It still worked, but this is what you're hunting after. The next part to take off is this power window module, and I didn't use a screwdriver, but essentially just clip under it and then pull it out. I will show you guys what that looks like right now. This is the assembly, and it's held by these metal brackets inside, and then it's connected with this pin. So disconnect that. This will let you take everything off. The next part, this is the fun one. So there's a chrome trim on the inside, and it has these metal brackets right here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 looks like. And then this part right here, the top, is independent, so it's not part of this aluminum trim piece. And what I did was, from one end, lifted this up, and then it comes off of these brackets right here. And then once I got this end off, I went in with my finger like this and then pulled it up, got that one off, went in with my finger on this part and lifted it up, got it off of this bracket, and you essentially work your way around it. Once you do that, it will still be pretty snug because you have these plastic fasteners out. I'm not sure what to call them, but they go all around the door. So if we look at the passenger door, those plastic pieces, they go all around, and on this side too. So what I did then is gently from inside kind of pull at it, kind of in I don't know, not too hard, but definitely enough. And once I heard the first one come out, then with my hand you gently reach down and try to reach the other one and unclip it. So this is where we are, where I started this video. Okay, so the next part, what we're gonna do, you don't have a lot of room to work with because, I mean, everything is so snug here, but we want to access this rubber molding and just gently get it as far down as we can. I am doing this so that I have more room to pop these plastic pieces out. Now I know this is not an ideal situation, but when your door doesn't open from inside or outside, you have to go through drastic measures to accomplish everything. What I did next was pull at the bottom piece and then pull right here and pull right here, and as you can see, I got it off. So a few minor pieces to get this trim panel off. We have some wiring here. There is the light wiring right here that we'll have to disconnect. And then for the door handle, this metal hook right here. So I got the door open, but I cheated a little bit. So the door handle, I moved it forward and then turned it and just slid it out so that I didn't have to take it off this hook right here. This wiring, you know, this window regulator up and down, I didn't really feed all the way through, so that's connected. And then the bottom light I didn't remove. So in order to get this door to open, at least for me, so see when Dad pulls it from the outside, it goes up and down. What I did was with a screwdriver lift it further up, and then the door opened. And I'm not sure if the problem is with the cable, it's not pulling it up enough, but that's what I used to open this door. So I don't know if this is funny or not, guys, but I basically sprayed some PB Blaster over there, a little bit in here, and watch this. See that? Freaking A, huh? Who would have thought PB Blaster? PB Blaster of all things. But regardless, it was a pain to get to. I hope that this video was helpful. If you guys have any questions, it's still fresh in my mind. Hopefully I'll be able to help you. And hopefully the instructions were fairly easy to follow. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.